So, guys, before I begin with the video, I got a challenge for you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to be notified about my new videos in 5 seconds, and your time starts now. Time's up, guys. So, let's get this video started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking on how to edit videos on YouTube Studio. I'll be saying how to trim, splice, and even split your visual representation on YouTube Studio. So let's get started. So once the studio is launched, what you have to do is take your preferred video and make sure you have logged into your account. Once you have taken the preferred video, you can see that the editor icon there. Click on that. After you have clicked on that icon, you can see all the trimming and editing features in most of them. But before going to the editing and trimming section, let me explain all the main features. So there's like a video representation, then there's a soundtrack adding your sky frames, and then there's a blur motion, and then after that there's an end screen layer. There's a zoom in and zoom out feature. Also there is the discard and save changes, then the settings feature which contains the playback speed, the skips option and the play option, even the volume. Then the three dot menu contains the keyboard shortcuts, which helps in speeding up the shot, like the editing or trimming features pretty much faster. So now let's get on to the editing and trimming feature. To start, click on the trim option. Once you're there, you can like trim out the option by just dragging and dropping the red line segments. So I don't want that part from the starting, and from the ending I don't want that one also. So make sure you drag and drop the red line instead of the gray white line. So I'm going to just drag and drop these elements of the end screen. So now let's continue with the editing and trimming. Make sure to not drag the gray line. You have to drag the red line. So if you want to go back and to make much more changes, click on edit to trim, and then you can edit again on the edited part. Yeah, so like you can drag and drop the red lines again. And to save changes for that, click on preview to apply the changes. After that, now I'll show you how to split. To split the screen and to jump right onto the next one, you have to click on the split option. So once you clicked on the split option, you can change the time frame how much ever you want. So you can zoom in to make sure the exact location where you want to like split it enough. And after that, you know which section you have split it to jump onto the next screen. Let's save changes, and let's continue on to the next one, which is the soundtrack. To add the soundtrack, click on add a track, and then there are various types of musics and royalty music from YouTube officially. Click on the audio library option to go and have more various choices of music. You can like select the musical name and search it onto the shortcut where you can find it more easy. Then after that, add the music you want. For example, add any music you want. So as you can see, I want the music of the first one, so I will click on the add option. It takes a few seconds to get the music added onto your video, and it is added. So once the video representation comes, you know it is added, and you can adjust the pitch, the place where you want the music to be, like the position exactly where the music should start, and then the volume, the background music you want to adjust. Now let's continue on to the next one, which is the blur. To add a blur, you have two options, either face blur or option blur. To make a custom blur, what you have to do is click on the blur custom blur option, and once you have this option, you can like take the rectangular piece to wherever you want. For example, I want to blur this exact moment. So once you want to blur that exact moment, drag and drop the the blur, and you can also set the time frame of how much time you need that to be on that exact location. So this is how you custom blur any objects. And if you want, you can also add the face blur, which covers up the a whole face of a person. That only works on like face videos where the webcam is added. So I'll show you how it's done. When you can click on add blur and click on face blur. So if you have the webcam, it like entirely delete your face and add a blur to it. Now let's continue on to the last one, which is the end screen layer. So in the end screen layer, you can add up to video, playlist, channel, most of the more elements, and make up a whole end screen. It's a built-in feature. So that's it, and I'm done. Let me save the changes, and let's go back to the video. So this is how you edit, trim, and scale things. This video editor is so powerful, and the things that make it powerful are these short features. It may not be too good or too long or many more features. It's like suspended, but this video editing feature of the YouTube Studio is really good and may be required for people. I'm ending my video here. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys to see you on the next one. Bye for now.